Following these steps will help you center your image in Adobe Photoshop quickly and easily. Select the entire canvas. Press Ctrl+A, Windows, or Cmd+A, Mac, on your keyboard. This will create a selection around the entire canvas. Align the image horizontally. Go to the menu bar and click Layer. Hover over Align Layers to Selection. Click Horizontal Centers. Align the image vertically. Go to the menu bar and click Layer again. Hover over Align Layers to Selection. Click Vertical Centers. Deselect the selection. Press Ctrl+D, Windows, or Cmd+D, Mac, on your keyboard. Save your centered image. Save your work. Go to the menu bar and click File. Select Save As. Choose your preferred file format, e.g., JPEG, PNG. Set the location where you want to save the file. Click Save. Now you know how to center an image in Adobe Photoshop.